Alam, parang ko lang yung fan dito. Parang ko lang yung dito. Parang ko lang yung guys, favorite na tabi ito ngayon.
Shelter me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free. You never say too much, which really showed away, and now you do. I'm watching you just to help me. Loving them so, is there a way
Then, nung after nung pangalawa,
just to
okay.
help you
Then go na.
back
Hindi ka tatlo
again?
ito, ako nga apat.
Just to touch you
Apat na best friend makapag.
once again.
Yung time kasi,